God, you call me by my name. You got God, you don't need me, but you love me. Say you love me. Ooh, wait. Girl, I know you love me. I just love hearing you tell me you love me. Love me, baby. Bitches with virgin margaritas, I know. God got his kiss, so let's praise him, you know. Get comfortable, baby. You can find me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cole or Nicole. Today we got another hair tutorial, of course, because I just be giving the girls looks, okay? And I'm here for it. I know when I had my natural hair, I was struggling to find ways to like style my hair, just like do different things without causing too much damage. Like I'm all about keeping the damage minimal or none at all. Today we are going to try some clip-ins from Curlsqueen. This is a brand that I also worked with when I did my knotless braid install, my boho knotless braids, and that boho hair was so good, y'all. Kind of didn't want to take the braids out, but I had to, y'all. I get so bored of styles. I don't know how I was locked for 4 years because what? All of the information for these curly clip-ins are down below along with a coupon code, so make sure you check that description box. I'm just gonna show you how I install my curly clip-ins just for added length and volume. All right babes, let's unbox our Curlsqueen clip-ins. I'm so excited for this package and I love that they send goodies along with the hair bundles. It comes with a detangling brush, additional clips for your clip-ins, and an adjustable satin scarf. Here are the bundles. I got 18-inch Water Kinky Curly Brazilian Virgin human hair clip-ins. I love these bundles because they're double wefted and they're super soft to the touch. But I'm gonna go in and just shampoo the hair just to see like the true curls pop out. Also just to clean the hair because I don't know, I'm kind of a germaphobe. I'm going in with the TPH So Lengthy shampoo and I'm just going to do a quick wash. As I was washing the hair, it was very soft. It did not tangle. I was very surprised because normally like curly bundles get really tangly sometimes. It was very easy to comb out, especially with the detangling brush that they give you. I want to show you all the length difference. Of course, when you wash the bundles, the curls elongate. So yeah, I highly advise washing your bundles. So these are how the clip-ins look after washing. Very bouncy, very cute, very just soft to touch. These are classic wefts. These are also 18 inches and I feel like it's pretty true to length and it's going to eat down. I'm gonna take down my old washing gel. Oof. I could really rock this for like another day or two. I don't mind when it gets real big and frizzy and whatever. I am going to start by sectioning a small back piece. I'm going in with the 3 weft. They come in a variety of clip sizes because, you know, of course the width of your hair isn't the same all around. So we got our first clip in. Each clip I'm going to like spritz my hair down and detangle it. So look how that blends. Let me bring y'all closer. Look at how easily that blends into my hair after I detangle my hair. Okay, and the clips are not moving. I've been like detangling pretty hard. So yeah, this is with no product. Okay, let's do this side. As y'all can see, my hair is pretty fluffy. Nice. I am going to add some leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in. It's the Design Essentials Shabby collection. I know my hair loves to drink this stuff up. So then I'm going in with some Eco Styler gel. And I'm going to just like, I guess, coat my hair so my hair doesn't like poof outwards and it stays nice and flat with the clip-ins.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way.
Okay, so these clip-ins are definitely my hair texture when it's wet, but I'm so nervous to see how it's gonna look like once it starts to dry up. That was like my only thing, but I guess once we add this gel, it should help hold it down. But in case it doesn't, I'm probably just going to do like a braid out or something on my hair. But right now it's looking good. Got some volume. I see the length difference in my hair, but my hair's not too far off. Like, let me stop. Maybe I'm being delusional, but it's okay because my hair is gonna get this length. My hair's literally gonna get this length. And y'all, I have been searching for more like high porosity styles because high porosity hair does not take heat well. And I love the fact that Curlsqueen has some really good curly hair. Y'all see my hair texture? Like, it literally looks like the clip-ins. It looks like the clip-ins once it's like detangled and it has some water on it. I'm gonna go in with the 2 clip-ins. I have one 5-clip clip-in left. I don't know if I want to use that. It's already pretty full. As good as it's going to get for right now. I'm about to put my leave out down and try to blend that as well. Okay guys, so the hair looks really good blended together. I'm gonna go in with some edge control and just lay my edges a little bit. It's been really like fluffy, natural looking. Well, maybe I'm gonna try for that, but if it doesn't give that, it just doesn't give that like that, you know. Cute, cute. This eats. I am loving this style. I'm going to wear it for a while and see how it looks just air dried, and maybe I won't need to braid it down. So I'm gonna give it a couple hours. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying these clip-ins. If you want your own set of clip-ins, 10-piece Brazilian virgin hair, click down below and get yours and get that discount, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what other hair tutorials you would love to see from me, and I'll see you all. Bye.
You got God, you don't need me, but you love me. Say you love me. Ooh, wait. Girl, I know you love me. I just love hearing you tell me you love me. Love me, baby. Bitches with virgin margaritas, I know. God got a sis, so let's